If you're thinking about using NachoNacho for your business, there are 7 key things you need to know before diving in. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll have a clearer understanding of whether it's the right tool for you, especially when compared to other similar platforms. Make sure to stick around until the end. There's an exclusive offer I'll be sharing with you that could save you a lot of money on your trial. First off, let's talk about pricing. NachoNacho is a subscription management tool that streamlines all your software subscriptions into one platform. What makes it stand out is its unique pricing model. Unlike competitors who charge you a premium for each subscription you manage, NachoNacho allows you to manage multiple subscriptions for a flat monthly fee. This can save you a lot of money, especially if you're someone managing several business tools. No more surprises with hidden charges. What you see is what you pay. Next thing to consider is its user interface. If you've used tools like ChargeBee or Bearmetrics, you know how some subscription management platforms can be overwhelming or difficult to navigate. But with NachoNacho, the interface is incredibly intuitive and designed with simplicity in mind. You don't have to be a tech expert to use it, which is a huge benefit for small business owners or freelancers who just need a tool that works without a steep learning curve. The third thing to keep in mind is the automation features. NachoNacho integrates seamlessly with your existing tools and automates most of the subscription tracking process. So, if you're looking to automate reminders for payments, renewals, and billing, this software does it without you having to lift a finger. That's not something all competitors offer, and it really sets NachoNacho apart in terms of efficiency. The fourth thing is its flexibility when it comes to managing both personal and business subscriptions. While platforms like QuickBooks or Zoho do a good job of helping you track your expenses, NachoNacho allows you to organize subscriptions that may not even show up on traditional accounting software. From team software to individual apps, you can have everything in one place. This flexibility is perfect for freelancers and small business owners who want to streamline both their personal and business finances. Next, let's talk about security. NachoNacho takes security seriously by offering encryption and multiple layers of protection for your sensitive billing and payment information. Many subscription management tools out there only offer basic encryption, but NachoNacho goes the extra mile with advanced security features, ensuring that your data is always safe. The sixth point is its customer support. One thing you won't find with every software out there is top-notch customer service. NachoNacho, however, offers a responsive support team available through chat and email, and their support is known for being quick and thorough. Whether you need help with a billing issue or navigating a new feature, you can expect personalized service. And finally, it's the free trial. You can actually try NachoNacho completely free with no commitment to see if it fits your needs. There's no risk involved, and you get full access to all the features during the trial period. This is a huge advantage over other competitors that might offer free trials but limit features or lock you out after a few days. If you're still on the fence, just remember this. You can try NachoNacho right now, absolutely free, by clicking the first link in the description below. Plus, when you use my link, you'll get exclusive benefits that you won't find anywhere else. Go ahead, give it a try, and see for yourself how much easier managing your subscriptions can be with NachoNacho. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to grab that free trial and exclusive benefits.